5 seconds. I gotta fix my hair. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Laney.
Mariana.
Hey guys, we still don't have a name.
No. We've asked and asked. We do still need to post it out there to our family, our Realty family.
Our family.
Well, our Realty
Then we're
family.
gonna get all sorts of crazy things.
It's okay. One of them might stick, or we can combine two of them and it might stick.
Well, I already gave you my thoughts on that. Anyway,
Tip of the week.
tip of the week.
Moving. Buyers and sellers.
How I hate moving.
That's horrible.
It's the worst experience ever other than death in
Painting.
Texas. Oh,
I hate painting
wow,
too.
I said death in Texas. Actually, painting's cool. You can have a painting party.
But then it gets everywhere. It's on the floor and the walls
it's
and your
true.
hair. I mean, it's supposed to be on the walls, but in your hair, it's everywhere.
That's true. So the tip of the week regarding moving.
Invest in proper packing materials.
Yes.
Some of the best things we did, believe it or not, Barnes & Noble has great boxes for packing. And they willingly give them to you for free.
Which
They're
is awesome.
perfect size for books
Mm-hmm.
that are not too big. Definitely clothes, shoes, blankets.
Yeah.
They're the great size. What's really funny is I don't know that there's many liquor stores around here, but their boxes are better for books.
Yeah, they have
They're
to
smaller.
carry
They're
bottles.
thicker.
Yeah.
And you're not going to make them too heavy. My theory is if I can pick it up, some beefcake coming to move my stuff can pick it up.
Beefcake.
I don't know what else to call them. Man, woman, it doesn't matter. If you're working for a moving company, you can lift some weight.
Okay. Very important is not just the box. It's the damn tape.
And the bubble wrap or whatever you wrap.
Yes, but
your
if you
glass
don't
items
tape
in.
the bottom of the box and you lift that box, you are losing all your shit.
That could be quite a mess.
Right?
Yeah. Oh,
Everything's broken,
you're
everything's all
stepping
over.
on things.
And
It's
you
a
gotta
nightmare. Hospital run. It's not worth it.
And you have to pick
Buy
it all
good tape.
up and do it all over again.
Buy good
So,
tape. And make sure you wrap your glasses, anything breakable, carefully.
Wrap, bubble wrap, tape. Anyway, that's the tip of the week. Pack your stuff right, move it once so it arrives in one piece.
And together.
Got it.
I'm missing 12 boxes from my move. It's not fun. Like,
Subscribe.
hit the notification.
Till next time.
Till next time.
Bye guys.